Okay, guys, so the video cut out because I went over my 5 minute limit. So I'm going to finish with this statement that I was writing about. It said, when would you estimate a length instead of measuring the exact length? Well, I said, when you do not have a measuring tool, and I was going to write, whoop, I wrote that way too long, measuring tool with you. You might need to estimate just to kind of get an idea if you didn't have a measuring tool with you. Number 10 says the length of your teacher's desk. Now, I know we're not in school, so if you have a desk at home, that would be fine. If you want to maybe use your kitchen table, you could do that. So you would estimate how many feet do you think it is? Now, remember, that's about the length of a loaf of bread. I also usually tell my kids if you were to look at your arm between your wrist and the bend of your elbow, that's about a foot too. So if you can think about that, you could estimate in feet and then the actual measure it with a ruler and tell me exactly how many feet it would be. And then it wanted you to think about the length of a classroom wall. Well, again, we're not in class, so we're going to improvise, guys. Use a wall in your house that you can get to fairly easy and measure the length of that. Not how tall it is, but kind of how wide, how it goes along the floor. And think about how many meters would that take. Now, if you don't have a meter stick, then you can't do this at home, and I understand, guys. But if you have a meter stick or a yardstick, then use that. If your yardstick is a true yardstick and you don't have meters, then just change the word meters to yards, and we're good. And think about it would be how many doors wide would be your estimating. Try to picture that in your mind. And remember, an estimate is a good, educated guess. All right, along with this, you should have your workbook pages. And today you would be doing, yesterday you started working on pages 197 and 198. And today you would be doing 199 and 200. And don't forget these directions at the top. Study the example showing how to estimate length. And they're giving you an example. You should look at it, you should read it, you should think about it. Then you're going to think about those examples when you're filling out the bottom of that page and the back of the page. Okay, guys? So you'll have that and you will turn that in. If you don't have in your workbook and it wasn't stapled into the packet, it's okay. I know that we worked on this in class. Just make a little note or get your parents to send me a little message. It's okay, guys. We're going to work together. All right. So I will see you tomorrow with the day 3 lesson. See ya.